Hey, my beautiful angels. I hope you all are doing good. And yes, this is Sani here from Be You, Be Beautiful. And as you know, Ramadan season is on. So I have promised you that I'll be creating different Eid looks. Before that, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please go ahead and click on the red subscribe button down there. And next to it, there is a bell icon. Please don't forget to click that. All right. So without wasting much of your time, let's get into the video. I have just taken my bath, and as always, I'm trying to prep my lip with Biotic lip balm. And for my skin, I am using the moisturizer of Pond's gel. This is a very beautiful moisturizer, I would say. This is super light gel oil free moisturizer for non sticky and glowing skin. So, as you can see, how generously I'm applying this, which contains hyaluronic acid, which is a very much in demand thing, which we are listening everywhere. You know, this hyaluronic serum and all that, and as well as it has vitamin E also, and it is formulated by Pond's Institute. It's very new in the market, and as I can see, you can see a little hand from behind. That's my son who helped me to get my hairband to keep my hair away from my face. Make sure you don't be stingy in applying moisturizer. Apply it all well near your neck, your eye area, because those are the area which goes dry as you age. So let's start with the makeup. First thing in my list, I'm just trying to finish off with the eye makeup. I haven't done much on my face today because I don't think I'll be needing foundation and all. If you need, please go ahead and use foundation. But here I'm using a Ardell pomade and just roughly drawing the sides of my eyebrow and defining it. And now later on with a spoolie, I'll be smudging it all so that it looks all natural. Don't be scared. I know it is little on the darker side now, but as you proceed, you will see that it has been become lighter. Are you among those who find it difficult to apply makeup on the left side of their face? Well, so if so, please let me know because I am one of them who find it very difficult to do my eye makeup on the left side and even eyebrows. I find it very difficult with on my right side of the face, it becomes easy with the right hand, but when I have to reach the left side, it becomes little tricky. Texture skin, pore skin is very common because that's all natural. Your skin has to breathe, so it needs some kind of pores on your skin. All right, since skin is the largest organ in your body. So for that, I'm using a Kenya Babe Skin Primer just to, hide my pores and visibility of texture. And no thanks to camera, these days you will have to see so many filters that keeps your skin textures away and makes you feel like so much uh, plastic. So be happy, appreciate your flaws, and just flaunt it. So now with the damp beauty blender, I'm trying to merge all the primer on my eye area. Tap, tap, tap. So now for the concealer, I'm using Makeup Forever Ultra HD. This is from Sephora, and yes, I'm just doing a dot dot kind of application, and will be smudging it off with a fluffy brush. Take your time to blend, and this is so beautiful concealer. I would say it just blends it so well, and this is in a shade. This is in the shade 4 to 42. Yeah. Now to set the concealer in its place, I'm using a She Glam 102 natural color powder, that is translucent powder, and just dusting off with the same brush which I used for concealer. Apply it on your upper eye. From the NYX Whereby It palette, you have seen this palette before also. I'm using a navy blue shade and applying it with the help of flat brush. Meanwhile, I have completed one eye and I wanted to keep another eye for you guys to have a look. So this is how I'll be drawing with the help of a flat kind of brush. Just following my eye shape. Help of some darker navy blue shade, you can just draw around your crease roughly, and then we are going to use a fluffy brush to blend it all together. Now from the same palette I'll be using this blue shade, and I'll be applying it above the dark navy blue color. Taking a flat brush, trying to blend both those colors together so that there is no harsh line in between. Now this is the next shade which I am using, that is a brown color shade, which I'll be applying on the top of the light blue which I have just applied. So it goes like, a kind of a blend which will look very beautiful once you're done with this look. As I'm applying the brown shade, I'm trying to blend the lighter blue below that also with this so that it looks all blended. Once again, I'm going to use the dark blue and will be applying it on the outer corner of my eyes. As you can see, this navy blue shade which I'm applying, you have to keep your hand very firm, steady, and you have to apply it in such a way that you are following the eye shape, the eye socket. So, three-fourth of the eye socket, I'll be applying this navy blue shade. Now, once it is done with the same brown shade which we used on the upper area, we'll be applying it in the center of the eyelid. This is kind of a very rare color coordination which I have given, but I somewhere saw it and I liked it. So I thought of giving it a try. So once this brown color is nicely settled in the center of your eyelid, you have to go ahead and select this color from the palette, or you can go ahead and select any color which is appropriate as per your taste. So I'm using this kind of a shimmery blue color and applying it in the center of my eyelid. Now we will go in the same direction from the inner corner to the outer below eyelid. Is first you'll be using the blue shade, the shimmery kind, and then the brown, and then goes the dark navy blue at the outer corner edge. Use any kajal pencil which you have, and I'm applying on the base and the top lid. Now I'm trying to curl my eyelashes. Once your eyelashes are curled, you have to define your eyes. And for that, I'm using a Makeup Revolution eyeliner. And I would say I'm not that good with the eyeliner, but I'm just trying my best. Okay. And especially on the left hand side, I always have trouble to apply eyeliner. So I have applied the eyeliner, and now I'm using the Catus mascara to make it little denser. Here I'm using a diamond glitter eyeliner, which is from the brand Hang Fang 60 number shade, golden color. And I just love the way how this turned out to be. This is a very simple kind of a liner which you have to apply on the top of your eyeliner, black gel eyeliner. Okay, just to add up to the look. If you could see that this totally changes the eye makeup which you have done. So this mini eyeliner is a must have in your makeup list if you like this kind of golden look or so, and you have lots of colors which you get in this, all metallic kind of shades. So I'm just wiping off the excess powder or any eyeshadow fallen on my face. As you see, I don't need any foundation as of now because I'm following some good skincare. And now thereafter I'll be just contouring my face, and for that I'm using the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade espresso, and just drawing it on the sides of the cheek and jawline, just as this is something new which I saw. And I have to just blend it with the help of a fluffy brush. Please try to contour your face to make it look more sculpted and kind of a shade or shadow falling on your face. So the makeup whatever you do, it brings out the features of your face much better than keeping it off contour. So if you don't have any contour, please go ahead with dark eyebrow pencil which is brown in color, or powder bronzer or so on, but make sure you get your face contoured because that actually brings out a lot of features. So I'm just trying to blend off all the dark, sharp contouring done on my face. Trying to add some shine on the top part of my cheekbone, highest part of my cheekbone. I'm using an iconic London for illuminator, and applying it on the highest part of my cheek so that it looks nice, shiny and glossy. And for the blush, I'm using again my favorite from the Etude, Darling Tint, and just applying dot dot on the cheekbone, and the same thing I'm applying on my lips so that it looks not much on my lip area, as this tint is going to dry up. And it's going to blend with my lips so that it looks very natural. I'm not applying any lipstick over it because the eye itself has lots of colors to add. So that's how this navy blue and copperish color turned out to be. This transformation was superb. I just loved it, the way it came out, and I paired up with some navy blue color dress and a small earring to it. So the thing which I was not satisfied was the eye area was missing out on something, and later on I added to it, I applied fake lashes which made this look more elegant, because I think your eyes talk more on your face and also your smile. So just to enhance that, I have applied the falsies, as you can see, and that has completed this look very well. So will you please let me know how did you find this look in general, in total? And if you like it, please go ahead and create this kind of look. And as you can see, there is my Insta handles mentioned on the screen. Go ahead and follow me and share with your friends and family, and also don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And as you know, that's absolutely free. All right, so let's meet again with something new. And until then, as I always say, love yourself and take care of yourself. And what you can do for yourself is be happy with whatever you do. All right. If it's making you happy, that means it is the best thing which you're doing for yourself. So go ahead and do something good for yourself, and love yourself and love others. Mwah.